body system that we'll be talking about today is the nervous system. We'll talk about different information and facts on the nervous system. The nervous system is basically divided into two parts. The central nervous system, which is basically the brain and the spinal cord, and then the central nervous system is basically surrounded by bone and the vertebrae. And then the peripheral nervous system, which is the other major division of the nervous system, is basically the nerve that connects the brain to the spinal cord and throughout the other parts of the body. The peripheral nervous system has two major components, which is the sensory pathways that provide input through the body to the central nervous system, and then the motor pathways which carry signals to the muscles and the different glands. Here's a diagram of the brain, and here's another diagram of the different structures of the nervous system.
The function. The brain allows the body to feel emotion and allows it to think, analyze, learn, and move. Controls visual and audio responses of the body. For a more ideal of the functions, the somatic nervous system, SNS for short. It controls the neurons and nerves that reenact with the muscles to help you move. For nerve function, it would be an automatic nervous system. ANS for short. The automatic nervous system controls the neurons and nerves within a cell and organelles. And they just tell it what to do, pretty much.
Repairs and damages available. The peripheral nervous system protects and repairs them. Repairs, damages available. The peripheral nervous system protects and repairs damages caused by trauma and diseases. It also controls functions of organelles and tells them what to do. And as you can see here, this is a little diagram of what the peripheral nervous system looks like.
The nervous system interacts with many different body systems of the body, such as the skeletal, which is the bones, the muscular, which are the muscles, the cardiovascular, which is the heart, the endocrine, which is basically the decisions, the respiratory, which is the lungs, and the digestive system, which is the stomach. The skeletal, it protects the brain and the spinal cord.
The cardiovascular sends info to the brain about the blood pressure and regulates the heart rate of the blood pressure.
The muscular protects the brain with the body position and the movement.
The respiratory regulates the respiratory rate.
The digestive, the brain controls the drinking and the feeding behavior. We went through many different sources to find information on this specific body system. We went through entheology.com and the Wikipedia. We went through many different resources.
But to sum up this magnificent poster, as you can all see, basically it describes the four functions. It describes the function, right here, the structure, interactions, and repairs and damages. Now, all these four things that we told you are pretty important because they help keep your body alive and tells it what to do through its daily life. And that'll be it. My name is John Kalios.
Damian Butler.
Jerry Quijada.